This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Brian Southwick. Slip M10. Well-maintained gated private marina. Store, laundry, views, parking and so much more. History, majesty, mystery. What a great place to moor your boat. Semiahmoo's historic water tower stands sentinel. To the east, majestic Mount Baker. Semiahmoo Marina is only 16 nautical miles from the legendary, mystical San Juan Islands. Canada's Gulf Islands and the Inside Passage are favorite nearby destinations. Golf, tennis, heath club, spa, swimming are available for a fee at Semiahmoo Golf County Club or 200-room inn at Semiahmoo just seconds away. Marina amenities include gated entry, store, gas dock, laundry and more. Very clean and neat and well managed. No overhangs on 34-foot slips. For more information, review the details below.